Boys and girls, moms and dads, look what I found for $1.19. $1.19. Train mechanic simulator. Oh, come on, we gotta give that a shot. Then I'm stuck on this train theme I've been doing here lately for some reason. See how this thing looks. Become a train mechanic. 75 scenarios. Well, look at that. That's kind of neat. Pick that train up. Well, if you like train simulation, I guess you gotta learn how to fix them. Electric, diesel, steam. It actually looks pretty good, doesn't it? I guess the main thing is, how does it play? And I'm assuming we're going to soon find that out. Try to be quiet when I do it. Train Mechanic Simulator 2017. Let's give it a shot. $1.19 currently on Steam at the time of this recording, which is 7/29/2019. 2 years later, I guess. When it come out? March 23rd, 2017. Yeah. Okay. Let's play now. Always got to turn my volume down. I don't know why I do that, I always do. Okay, that shows you your effects and stuff. Full screen, VSync, we're going to turn that off. Language English, yeah, I better keep that. Azerty, I have no idea what Azerty is. Probably do and can't think of it. Okay, game. New game. Welcome to the game Train Mechanic. You are a train mechanic and your task will be to repair rail vehicles in 3 different workshops. Under your care will be both archaic and simple steam engines, as well as very modern electric locomotives. Every locomotive will be assigned to a garage adapted to repair that respective type. Good luck. Alrighty. First we're going to walk around. WASD walks around. Okay. Hold on to shift and you run. Okay, that's all normal. Outside world, inside world. M for job order. I for parts warehouse and T for tablet. See, look at, let's go in the office. What we got here? Oh, you go right over here. You got your own desk. Interesting. Work orders. Orders. I just want to look around here first. All right, no zoom with the wheel. kind of nice. Kind of nice. Just up here. We can actually go up. Well, we can, but then the windows are too high to see anything. Watch your speed. Okay. All right, let's get on with it. Work order. Welcome to your work order acceptance. You'll be able to accept work orders to a given workshop. In this window, you can switch between work orders to skip given tasks. Okay. Your first mission will be simple train repair, so you can become familiar with the basics. Okay. Now, how cool is that? It appears the cause of the locomotive malfunction is a damaged carriage. Probably there are the steel and rubber springs. Locate the exact cause of the defect and replace with a new part. Okay. Well, you can't press it close, so I guess we gotta hit escape. Let's see our new. Look at this. In this mode, you can strip down locomotive parts, take apart all their available components. Often be able to get a part, you will need to remove other parts, even those operating properly. Please remember about this. Not checked, not checked. Oh, there's a red there. I'm going to assume them two parts right there is what I have to get rid of. All these springs and stuff I took off before. And I got nothing. I'm stuck here though. Let's see. Go to 1 again. Still stuck in this spot. Oh, there we go. It lifted me up. Get rid of this one. All right. Now this one. I want that. How do I get a new part? Parts warehouse. Aye. Steel and rubber springs. Okay. Escape and go to parts warehouse. Where that is? There we go. Sell. Yes. Sell. Yes. Okay, now I want to buy. Keeper tablet. Again, Starline stores with parts. 3 shops. Mechanical parts, hydraulics. Filters. Well, ain't none of them the parts I wanted. There we go. I need this. 1, 2. Need 2 of them. Shopping cart. Order. Yes. Okay. So now I go to my warehouse. There we go. That's where I can get them back. Okay. Here's the one I gotta Fix. There we go. That's kind of neat with the tablet part and stuff. Oh, wrench is going. This one on here. All right. Oh, that should be good then, right? Did I take that off? I guess so. Probably forgot something I ain't putting back on. But it looks like I got everything. Ah, F center camera. Center camera installation. Freeze testing mode. Well, we already been through that. So, I guess probably would be nice if there's a tutorial or something. Center camera, parts warehouse, decondition. Do that. Job order. Check. That looks like I did it. Alrighty, I guess. Finish order. There we go. My goodness, I made something simple pretty hard, didn't I? Remember to use your earned cash to improve the workshop by using tablet. Yeah, well. See what our next order is. Maybe we can make this one a little bit easier. The driver complains about a faulty brake system. Locate the cause of the defect and make repairs. This work order is slightly more difficult. Remember that each part type is repaired on a different workbench. If you are not able to repair the part yourself, you can buy a new part. Honestly, I just bought them other ones of parts instead of trying to fix them, I guess. Locate the faulty components of the brake system in the front truck. Okay. So now, no help to the game. I figured out I have to go to the front of the truck. B body. B body. Okay, that removes the body again. Testing mode is 3. Wants me to test the brakes, huh? That part's good. That part's good. That part's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Hey, what's this guy talking about bad brakes? They all look good to me. I guess I gotta find the brake part itself, huh? Calipers. Do. Ah, there it is right there, man. We found it. We are really good mechanics. Caliber arm. Oh, that the arm's bad too. Look at that. I bet that's the only bad one right there. But we'll check them all. All right. Oh, there we go. Look at all them parts we got to repair. Alrighty then. I got to figure out how to take that stuff off. Center camera F. Thank you so much. Alrighty, what's this piece here? Disassembled. One. So. Heck, damn me. Let's see, tablet. Through the workshop. Screw gun allowing faster loosening and tighten. Oh, there's the benches right there. Not enough cash. Not enough cash. Yeah. Okay, okay. I get that, I guess. I want to go riding the train, man. Sometimes the task will involve finding and repairing locomotives that were damaged somewhere on the route, and then towing off them to the appropriate workshop. For this purpose, you'll use a special repair train. The train, this time a diesel locomotive broke down in square D1. Locate it and tow it to the workshop. There we go, this is just what I wanted to do. In progress. Okay. Now I gotta go find my train, I guess. I don't even know how to get out the darn building. Leave the garage, yes. Might not be the right thing. There we go. Thought it took me out of the game. Got a little map, a little GPS down here in the corner. Find the locomotive in square D1 and tow it to the workshop. Okay. Increase speed, WS decrease, space for braking. The heck is that to rotate? Tab is the horn. M is map, C is camera. Okay. Holding down my right mouse button is turning me around. Hey, got a pretty good horn. Okay. Let's hit M for map. So that must be me. D1 they want me to go to. Where's the 1 part? I see the D. Or if it's way up there. That's looks like it might be a decent sized railroad. Hey, for a buck, what the heck? Let's see. Oh, wait. Where did all this pop up? East Tunnel, East Port, West Port, Road to the Diesel Depot. Different camera. Oh, there we go. Outside and inside view. For $1.19? Well, yeah. I'm just gonna ride around here for a minute. Look, I got a green. They got signal lights. I'm just gonna ride. Yeah. Big city. Oh, something green up there. Or if that's my broke down guy. Slow on down, you don't want to run into. So I guess that's what they wanted me to do, is turn them switches where I can see the whole thing. And then you get this green look to it. Alright, now I didn't do nothing since under that green. It looks like it automatically put it on me. Interesting. Total train to the diesel train station. See what our map says. Come there. I have to come this way, come down this way, and over that way, down that way. Where the heck's my station? Diesel train station. Guess that'd be right here, right? Diesel depot. I'm coming down, I'm coming down. Down, 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 down. Over. I don't know why this keeps popping back up like that. Guess I can get going for it again. Down, 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 down. All them look good. That one's off, but I guess it doesn't matter. Ah, right here, this guy, West Center. West Center is the one I need to watch for. Yeah, that's kind of cute. $1.19? Heck yeah. I don't know how many scenarios I'm really going to be able to cover. But someone put some work into this game. I'm missing 13 kilometers. Uh-oh. Yeah, I thought I had that turn to go down there. What happened there? Now that turn shows going down there, but he went that way instead. We hit them brakes. Go in reverse. I don't understand that part. Did he have a diesel engine depot? City. This one right here, he should be turning at. There it goes. Guess I misread how it was doing it. Now, apparently I should go there. Well, I ain't gonna do no fake little stream. I'm gonna show everything that I've done right and wrong. Then you get into that green color again, and then I'll probably just automatically be in a depot, I guess. I've seen half the map. Home sweet home. Damaged vehicle has been restored properly and towed into workshop. Go to repair.